Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the process of joining the Arise crossover Discord server. To start, open your Discord app and click on the Discover icon, the little canvas on the left hand side bar. Once the Discover page is open, go to the search bar on the top and type Arise crossover. Then press enter to search. From the search results, click on the first option called Arise crossover CL. It will give you the preview of the server. To fully join, click on the Join Arise crossover button on the top of the screen. Now you need to go through the quick onboarding process of the customizing your experience. First, click on the member verified, select next, then the language, then what platform you're using, and the notification you need. Once everything done, you can say create and agree and finish. And you are in. You can now browse through the various channel and rules, announcement, and game news. Just a heads up, like many servers, you will need to member up for at least 10 minutes before you start chatting. Thank you for watching and enjoy the community.